Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will present to you a study of Fourier series. Now, I will present my group mate, which is Arif Damiril, Muhammad Raizan, and myself is Nur Faizah Nadira binti Abdul Rahman.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Raizan bin Muhammad Nur. For the first slide is the introduction for our assignment. The Fourier series, which is the foundation of the field of Fourier analysis, is an infinite expansion of function in terms of sine and cosine. The Fourier transform provides a function continuous complex frequency. It is useful in many engineering fields such as signal processing, image processing, vibration analysis, electrical engineering, and so on. With the introduction of the Fourier transformation method, our capacity to implement Fourier method on digital mathematical system has dramatically expanded. It covers the mathematical foundation of digital signal processing, classical sound synthesis algorithm, and multi-time frequency domain analysis in relation to musical sound. Next, for our problem segment, the study focuses on analysis of periodic function. There are many phenomena studied about our nature, such as the current and voltage in alternating current circuit. This periodic function can be analyzed into their constituent component by a process called Fourier analysis. This study is used to convert time domain function into its frequency domain with digital communication signal. The problem arises from the fact that the Fourier transform of sequence, commonly referred to as the discrete time Fourier transform or DTFT, is not suitable for real-time implementation. This aims to study the Fourier series by applying the Euler formulas to solve the half-range Fourier series. That's all for me. Thank you.
From the given piecewise function, and the function is periodic with the period of 6, we sketch the function for 2 cycles, and then we solve the function by using the Fourier series for function by using the half-range series. Next slide is the graph for the piecewise function. From the graph, we can see that this is an odd function. Therefore, we use the Fourier sine series, and because of that, a0 and an is equal to 0. Firstly, we need to find the L when P is equal to 2L. From the graph, we need to know what is P, and then we can know the L. Okay, P is defined as the period. The period of the function is the interval between 2 successive repetitions. From the graph above, there are 2 complete cycles of sine function. We can write the period is P is equal to 6. When P is equal to 6, therefore L is equal to 3 because 6 have been divided by 2. Then we apply the Fourier series formula in the equation below. After getting the equation for Bn by substitute the value of L and done with the integration, we must define the equation for Fourier series as above.
Okay, next, I will continue our presentation with the discussion. Okay, from this study, we can see that the starting step by finding the L is very important. We need to know first what is the meaning of the period, and after that we can calculate the L. The period means the interval between 2 successive repetitions. In our case, by knowing the period is 6, so we can find the value of L when P equal to 2L. Hence, we get the value of L is 3. After that, we substitute the value into the Fourier series formula. From the graph, we know it is an odd function. So, the value of a0 and an is equal to 0. We only need to find the bn. The knowing of the needed formula also very important to make us easier to solve the problem. Based on the result of the study, we have solved the half range of Fourier series using the Fourier method, and it proven that it is useful for analysis and system design in modern electronics, the spectrum analyzer, information and communication technology. It also showed how to sine wave rectifier used in electricity. As conclusion, we managed to find the value of L which is equal to 3 and the period is equal to 6. From our study, we did not use the A0 and AN because from the graph, it showed the odd function. So, we managed to solve our problem in this case. That's all from us. Thank you.